So in this video, I'm basically going to show you how you can get approved, aka ungated, in a shitload of Amazon FBA brands that you can sell so you can start making money. And it's simple as copy and paste. As you guys can see right here, I'm going to copy this ASIN of a Nike product into the software, and we're going to check that ASIN, and it will say either ungated, gated, or restricted. And yeah, to save you time, I put together a list with over 1,000 brands. You guys can see right here, and the link to download it is going to be in the description down below. So all you do is click the link. You have access to this Google Sheets with over 1,000 brands you guys can see. So you can copy the ASIN here, plug it in, so you'll know automatically which brands you get to be approved and or not, you know? Because when you're new to Amazon FBA, getting approved or ungated is actually one of the first wall or hurdle that you jump into, and it can be frustrated. You know, you find a product, you buy it, then you find out that you can't even sell it. Then you just get stuck with it, end up losing tons of money. And it's unfortunate because this literally weeds out tons of people and not being able to, you know, make money and run their own business. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. So step number one is you're gonna wanna get BoxM, okay? If you go to their website, boxm.com, they actually have a free trial that comes with all the plans. This is what I did, and I just canceled, you know, after. But if you do want to sign up for it, you can do that. It's basically like a shipping software. But yeah, go ahead, just sign up. It's a free trial, and you can just literally cancel immediately after using this, you know, feature to get ungated. So once you sign up, this is what the dashboard is going to look like. You're going to want to connect your Amazon account first. So that way, when you start pulling in like the brands and the ASINs, it's gonna know, you know, which one you could get ungated. So definitely connect your Amazon account first. That's gonna be the second step in order to kind of get the flow going here, and just basically following step by step. And step three, it's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna copy the ASINs that I provided here from the Google Sheets. So you can copy all of them, or you can copy just a few, however you want. So go ahead and copy. Then you're gonna wanna go to inventory, right? And bulk scan. So this is really important right here, bulk scan. And you just go ahead and go paste all the ASINs you got here. And again, you can paste as many 964, then do another 964, right? So let's go ahead and just do this for example. All right, so I got 3 ungated, 5, and it just works pretty quickly. So you'll get, if you put in the list here, you're gonna get 50 plus, 100 plus brands you get ungated automatically, even if you are a new seller. So this has been really a game changer when I've heard about this method, because in the past, when I started back in 2021, even now, new sellers, you have to manually paste it and find out if you can sell it or not. But this right here makes it super easy and simple, you know? So yeah, you just let it run right here. So you can see I got 12 brands ungated immediately, more gated here. This is what I'm restricted. This is error. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. So as you can see, this will save you hours, if not days of time, to finding about the brands that you can sell and not. So go ahead, the link is gonna be down below, and appreciate if you guys give it a thumbs up and like this video. Until next time, see you later.